Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up? Beat it
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be breaking down on how you guys can make a fire, emotional, slow OVO Drake type of beat. This is more of like Drake's classic sound that he does with his producer 40. This is the full beat, which we then turned into a sample called Rough Times. This sample is available in our limited edition AT OVO sample pack. That limited edition sample pack is a one-time offer where once all of the copies are sold, we will never have this sample pack available again. I'm making this video ahead of time, and it's going to be coming out on either Monday or Tuesday of this week. So hopefully when this video comes out, the sample pack is still available, but the link to the sample pack is down in the description down below. As of right now, there's only 20 copies left. Originally there was 30, so 10 have been sold, so 20 more left, and then this is gone. So beside the point though, this is the whole beat. I'm gonna play the full beat for you guys, or I'm gonna actually just play so you guys get an idea. And here's the Rough Times. You guys could see everything's bounced out. It's 85 beats per minute, A minor. We just put in the the vocal samples up at the top, then everything else is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and play it, and then we're gonna break it down.
Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT.
So that's a quick little playthrough of the beat. I'll do a full playthrough of the beat at the end. But for you guys, leave comments in the comment section. This is royalty free for all independent producers. What does that mean? If you're not signed to a major record label or record deal, and or are selling beats to just other independent artists, you don't have to worry about anything. Just, get your beat lease, get your beat placement, get that money, and you don't need to worry about it. Now, if you do sell exclusive rights to an industry artist, or you are a producer signed to a major label or record label, there might need to be different clearances or sample or songwriter credits that we might need to establish first. But for all of you guys that's doing BeatStars or Track Train, and you're just selling it to other internet artists or other up-and-coming artists, don't worry about it. We want you guys to eat off of it. So let's go ahead and go right into it. So we got these vocals, and then we got these bells. With the bass line. bells and bass line are from Electra, and then the piano is from Morphine. And then when we come into here, we're at 85 beats per minute, so this is kind of it's not double time.
Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up? Beat it AT, what up?
Half speed on the piano with RC 20 retro color. If we turn that off, a little too fast, so when you put the gross beat on the half speed, so we come in here, you omit the bass line, and we come right into the chorus. Or, I mean, it's Drake, so he might just go all the way through. There may not even be a chorus on this one. This might be more of like one of his more sentimental, emotional records, touching on like his childhood and his his growth through his career. One of those type of records, something you could hear off of one of his more established projects. Drums, we have a free OVO style drum kit as well. If you guys go to the link down below to get the OVO sample kit, the drum kit is completely free. If you guys don't even order, if you guys don't buy the sample kit, you guys can still get the drum kit. But if you guys do order the sample kit, you will have the drum kit available in your Beat It AT account as well automatically. And we also don't email out any files, so everything is accessible through your Beat It AT account. We got up and down with the note scale, kind of adding a little bit of a bounce, sounding more humanist, more of like a human element to it. Very simple kicks. Got a little echo snare in the beginning. And these vocals are completely distorted. They are actually, we removed, like lowered the sample rate. So a lot of people, what they do is like put a low pass filter. There's a video of even Noah 40 saying it's not a low pass filter, but rather reducing the sample rate. Then we obviously did chops and then distort it and then add the RC 20 color. Completely unique new sound from it. Little bridge or breakaway from the main pattern of the song. Coming back in, just a loop. It's very simple, and we give you guys all the elements in the sample kit so you guys can make this or your own beats, Drake inspired beats. Same thing, just loops over. Then went over here, we remove the kicks. No kicks, no bass. this was supposed to be right there. Got messed up. There you go. Then we actually introduce the low pass filter right here, where it actually comes in and kind of pulls everything in together for that last chorus or last verse or whatever you want to consider it. Then we just have a fade out automation, so the actual beat fades out from that point. I mean, that's really it. It's a very simple beat. If you guys want to see the notes, don't mind showing you guys the notes. A minor, like I said. Let's go to helpers, scale highlight. A only. And then you guys might want to see the piano. So it's really not that complicated. I don't want to keep you guys waiting around too long. So that's really it. Just a quick little breakdown of this video or of this beat. So if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and click the push bell notification button. That's how you're going to get updated whenever we drop new videos or new sample packs, because we're going to be doing more of these limited edition sample packs. So if you guys happen to see this video later and the sample pack isn't available any longer, don't worry, we will come out with more, and there's going to be better and newer sounding samples every time we drop. And we also have other sample packs that are available and will always be available. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this helpful or at least entertaining. This is Andrew of Beat It AT. I will see you guys later.